Credit has to go completely to the players. You know, you talk about will to win and desire, professionalism, and myself and the staff are demanding from the players on a daily basis. We've got a lot of trust going both ways. They trust what we're trying to do, and we trust how they can go and do it. So I think the trust and the understanding is a huge basis and foundation to go from. And after that, we've just got good players in good people and good professionals.
It's a great achievement for the lads to be that consistent over such a long period of time. The gap is getting closer, but you know, absolutely brilliant from the lads. It's got to be the most laid-back team, like a bunch of lads ever. I think they just take every game as it comes and every trophy as it comes, and you know, everyone's really humble about it. You know, and you know, only Craig mentioned it today. He said you can make history today if you do this. So it's absolutely brilliant.